not enough comprehensible Russian input out there, right? Yeah, I know. You are absolutely right. It's not enough, especially if we talk about pure ALG style videos, which means videos without any grammar explanations, burned in subtitles, translation, English in the video, or any other language other than Russian. High comprehensibility provided with visual cues and emotions and gesticulations and everything like this. There are some videos, of course, and there are, as you know, several channels that make these videos. And on my channel, you have several videos, collaborations with those creators where we talk together. But still, it's not enough. And how can we solve this problem? Because you, as natural learners, as input learners, you need a lot of input every day. And this is exactly what I'm really trying hard to solve for you. And I have good news. Finally, I really can say that. I have good news for you. We have started releasing videos every single day. Pure, comprehensible input ALG style videos every day. Since October this year, 2025, we've started releasing videos every day. So, let me explain you how it happens. We have one YouTube video a week and we have 6 premium videos a week. So if you have premium and you watch both YouTube and premium videos, you will have a new video every single day. So if you want to have comprehensible Russian input every day, some new content every day, please subscribe to our premium. The link is in the description. And now I want to demonstrate a little bit of what we have released recently. I will show you videos that we have released in October, November, and maybe some of a bit earlier premium videos. Let's go. So here are all our recent premium videos. Let's look what we have here. Here they are with Nastya, with Elvira, various topics. Here is Valera and his Russian man's busy day. Well, let's look at it.
И это, кстати, печная труба. Печная труба. И вот мне нужно сделать вот так. Отдыхаю, загораю под солнцем, да? Солнце, а я загораю.
Вот, это был Валера. Вот у нас влог Эльвиры.
Это осень. В общем, тут написано, что делать, и ты делаешь. Ага. Влог? Да ладно. Это же просто шедевры. Вот это, да, получается? Вообще кошмар.
Это чак-чак.
Вот, пожалуйста, ешьте.
Chak-chak. It's a Tatar sweet thing. And apparently there is a sculpture for chak-chak. This is quite funny. Tatars, it's a nationality within Russian Federation. I don't know if it's a mix or Asian. They are Muslims. They have their own language. We have other vlogs. Ah, Valera is on a horse.
О, отдыхает. Вот она, Ева. Седло. Вот она, наша собака Глория. Глория, привет.
По городу гуляют на лошадях. Класс.
Ева, хватит жрать, ради бога, пошли. Когда мы вокруг очень красиво.
Nastya is also riding horses. Oh, this one. I think I love this one. Where Valera is traveling from Belgorod to where he lives to Moscow. I envy him.
И бам! И вот я в Москве. Я сейчас на Красной площади. А сейчас мы с вами идем по одной из самых главных, самых центровых улиц Москвы. И хоп, здесь все, что можно было привезти из Китая и поставить в магазин в центре города.
Ой, да. Yeah, Moscow was so beautiful this summer.
Вот цветы в горшках. И вот их выставляют прямо аж до самого конца моста. Красиво? По-моему, красиво. Я ж совсем забыл с вами попрощаться.
Many how-tos from Velvira. She likes cooking and chores. Let's look at this one.
Творить из вишни варенье. Ничего себе! Сахар стал розовый. Второе это сахар. Сейчас я буду перемешивать ложкой сахар и вишню. И быстрее закрываем. Следующее. Быстро, быстро, быстро наливаем.
Yeah, cooking vlogs are always good. Exercising, by the way.
Стараемся делать вот такие мелкие махи руками. Соедини колени с локтями. 3.
Another vlog from Valera.
Яблочный с вишней. А, это продукт из Сербии. Там рекламу или ТикТок.
Is showing a place where I go quite often. I walk here. This is my everyday environment. What you see here. Oh, this vlog is where he shows the neighborhood where I lived.
Все нарядные, и я в черной футболке. Вот так. Но интерьер здесь красивый. Общаюсь, попытаюсь понять. Вот так вот. Попытаюсь понять, куда мне идти дальше.
I'm not going to open every video, but you can have an idea. Talking about different topics, literature and music, going outside, eating some food, showing the city's wardrobe, vocabulary, school experience, like personal experience, stories from our speakers, again walking in Moscow, repotting flowers and tomatoes, traveling to Vladimir, that's a beautiful city, an ancient city. Oh, I love this one.
А в 1108 году Владимир Мономах построил здесь крепость.
Some history, beautiful views, talking about souvenirs.
Мы покажем вам те сувениры, которые мы взяли в сувенирный лавке.
That's a beautiful.
Это церковь
church.
Покрова на Нерли. Она выстроена из белого камня и выглядит невероятно красиво. Уже 7 часов. Сейчас мы поедем на вокзал.
Beautiful. So I mean, remember about what I was talking in the video about theory, LG theory. You need to distract yourself from the fact that you're learning a language. That's why you should find only interesting, engaging content, something that really interests you, something that is relevant for you. That's why we're trying our best to make various videos. Everyday life, Kazan summer day vlog, a trip again, village life, talking about some different games, showing Azov Sea, hairstyles, Russian summer holidays, something new to learn about, some surprising facts about Mendeleev, several series of my father's videos memoirs. It's my father, and he's talking about his life, the life of his grandparents and parents in Soviet Union, and about his childhood, cooking again, chores. This one, it's where I tell about our Easter, my family's Easter. This vlog in Vladimir, I absolutely love it. It's very dear to me.
Сегодня я еду в Новгород.
I'm so young. You can tell I changed. Those are COVID times. In the train.
Здесь девушка уже разложила кровать. Я застелила постель. Я тут буду спать. То есть в XI веке построили эту церковь.
The beach
Прямо
of
у
Novgorod.
Кремля. Пляж.
I think I'll go to a bar. I found a jazz bar.
То, что нужно.
То, что нужно. Yeah, it's very safe in Russia. I can walk at night alone.
Ами Кремля. Класс. Я тоже хочу пляж в Москве, прямо у Кремля. Сейчас она еще пойдет в музей смотреть на иконы.
Yeah, I also have a couple of stories for beginners. Like this is a Soviet story. I remember it from my childhood.
Цыпленок и утенок.
So yeah, those are all the premium videos, all the recent premium videos that we have released. So yeah, subscribe to our premium, watch new videos every single day, learn something new, not only the language, but learn something new about Russia, about our traditions, customs, everyday life, see different cities in Russia, different places, learn about our history, architecture, things we do, things we eat, everything about our life, our holidays. Look how people behave, how they communicate. We are trying to cover different topics in our videos so that every one of you has something interesting to watch. The link is in the description. Check it out. I wish you luck. Всем пока-пока. Счастливо.